At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a koi fish business can be an exciting venture, but it requires careful planning and consideration. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Research the demand for koi fish in your area. Identify potential customers such as pond owners, garden centers, landscaping companies, and hobbyists. Study your competitors. Understand their pricing, product offerings, and customer base. 2. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your goals, target market, marketing strategies, startup costs, and projected revenue. Decide on your business structure, sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, etc., and register your business with the appropriate authorities. 3. Location. Choose a suitable location for your koi fish business. Consider factors like space for ponds or tanks, accessibility, proximity to suppliers and customers, and zoning regulations. 4. Facilities and equipment. Set up tanks or ponds for breeding and raising koi fish. Ensure proper filtration, aeration, and water quality management. Purchase necessary equipment such as nets, pumps, heaters, and quarantine tanks. Invest in security measures to prevent theft or unauthorized access. 5. Sourcing koi fish. Find reputable koi fish breeders or suppliers. Look for suppliers with a good reputation for quality and healthy fish. Establish relationships with multiple suppliers to ensure a steady supply of fish. 6. Breeding program. If you plan to breed koi fish yourself, research breeding techniques and best practices. Set up breeding ponds or tanks and select breeding stock carefully to maintain desired traits and genetics. Implement proper feeding, water quality management, and health monitoring protocols for breeding stock. 7. Marketing and sales. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your koi fish business. Consider online advertising, social media, local events, and partnerships with garden centers or landscaping companies. Create a visually appealing website showcasing your koi fish varieties, pricing, and contact information. Offer discounts, promotions, or loyalty programs to attract customers and encourage repeat business. 8. Legal and regulatory compliance. Obtain any necessary permits or licenses required to operate a koi fish business in your area. Familiarize yourself with regulations regarding the breeding, sale, and transport of koi fish, including any health or quarantine requirements. 9. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty among your customers. Offer knowledgeable advice on koi care, pond maintenance, and fish selection. Address customer inquiries, concerns, and complaints promptly and professionally. 10. Continuous improvement. Stay updated on industry trends, new breeding techniques, and advancements in koi fish care. Continuously evaluate and adjust your business strategies to adapt to changing market conditions and customer preferences. Starting a koi fish business requires dedication, hard work, and a passion for fish keeping. By following these steps and staying committed to providing quality products and services, you can build a successful koi fish business. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.